So I just picked up the new version of the Harbor Freight tire changer, and so the people were doing reviews saying that there's nothing different on these, but that's not true. The old ones had some funky little star thing right here. This one doesn't have that. So they were complaining that these would like chew up their rims. So now they've got this piece instead of the other weird piece. And then you put the pin in here to lock in the rim. As far as that, I think everything else is probably the same other than it being black. So I haven't tried it yet. I definitely think I would like to weld another piece on here just to be safe. It's funny they call it a portable tire changer. Just grab it and go, I guess. No, I don't know about that. But anyway, I just thought I would point out this difference here on the new ones. And these are really hard to find right now. I found this one by calling the store even though it wasn't listed on their website. And I got lucky, and they had from June 30th to the 4th of July, there's 20% off, so I got 20% off on it. Anyway, I just thought I'd share this really quick. Alright, so I just got this Harbor Freight tire changer, and I didn't expect this to be easy. These are really old tires. This is a 2002 tire right here. I want to get it off of that rim, so we'll try. It's really hot out, it's 100 degrees, so that helps a little bit. So I've removed the core from the stem. Doesn't really want to sit down in the lip. If I can't get it to do that, it's not going to work. Lovely. This thing is hotter than hell. So I'm probably not going to be able to use this. I don't think I have anything else that I can use. But that thing's been sitting out in the sun. So the first problem I noticed here is that it doesn't. There. We finally got it in there. Let me just grab a pair of gloves. This is the problem in Arizona when it gets hot. You leave something metal out, and it'll burn you. That does not want to work. I'm gonna imagine this thing could break pretty easily. Let me go get some soapy water. So my thoughts on this are, even if you had it bolted down to a concrete floor, you might actually bend this. So it really does not have enough leverage for a 16-inch tire like this that's 21 years old. So this one here might have to be dismounted a different way. See, maybe move it in a little bit. Appears to be stuck. So sure if maybe if I move this to a different location, if that will help. But definitely doesn't want to put the right amount of leverage on it. See if it makes any difference. If not, we're gonna have to do this a different way. Okay. Now, getting it to it definitely gives more leverage, but I see the thing bending quite a bit. I've already bent it right here. So, man, and they don't have any of these in stock. So, okay, I totally can see that I bent the damn thing. And I think it's where it's hitting right here. So, you're not going to be able to do a lot of tires with this. This is not good. So, you can beef that thing up all you want if you're going to bend the tube. Let me show you. So you see right here and here where it started to blow out just from doing that. And I guarantee you the next time I screw around with this thing, it's gonna get worse. There's no way this thing is breaking the bead on this 20-something-year-old tire. Not happening.